We have finished our application for the day. All we need to do now is clean up.
Cleaning up our spray equipment's pretty simple. We've used up all the spray in the tank. We rinse it out, dispose in an area that's safe away from any desirable vegetation.
First, let's look at how to clean up our spray equipment. We make sure to keep all of our personal protective equipment on, especially our face shield or goggles to prevent splash of product into the eyes. To start, we rinse the spray unit with a degreaser such as Caltex Quick Degrease. Using this, we thoroughly wash inside the unit, making sure to also wash the pump and handpiece. After washing, we quarter fill the spray unit with clean water and circulate this through. We then drain and repeat this rinsing procedure twice. We now add a standard alkali-based laundry detergent, such as Omo, and circulate this through the system. Now flush the system one last time with clean water. We also need to thoroughly rinse our measuring jug with water and detergent. Now our application equipment is clean. Let's make sure we are. First, rinse and wash our gloves and boots with soapy water while we are still wearing them. Now we can remove our gloves.
When we remove our protective equipment, first thing we do is rinse our gloves off with water and make sure that we remove the gloves using the gloves, not our bare hands.
We then remove the rest of our clothing and we can wash this in a normal washing cycle.
And at the end of the day, cleaning up our equipment, our washable clothing can go through the washing machine. We just wash it separate to the normal day's wash, and usually a rinse cycle through the machine after we finish, just to make sure there's nothing left in there.
After herbicide use, we always make sure to thoroughly wash our hands again before eating or going to the bathroom.